Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let's analyze one more important point on AWS Batch. That is, since we create in Batch, do we use compute environment? Yes, we are using compute environment. That is nothing but we are using either forget service or EC2, right? Yes. How can we provide access? How can we provide the access to those compute environment to this AWS Batch? So we can provide access to those compute services, that is either forget. So we can access them by using what? IAM. How can we securely access? By using IAM roles. So when do we use these IAM roles? We need to use these IAM roles whenever we require temporary access without credentials, right? Yeah. I hope you watched that video about IAM roles in the Solution Architect Associate playlist. If you would not watch, then please watch so that you can understand how can we attach this IAM role to any service to access another service. So now in batch, where do we specify that IAM role? Since that is also one of the parameter, right? So we need to specify under job parameters only. So in addition to capacity of compute environment, we need to provide the IAM roles as well. So here we discussed only important points that we need to perform this batch operation. So that's it. There are multiple options are present in the batch while configuring. So don't need to worry about them because these are the important things that you need to remember to understand this batch service in AWS. So I hope you understood this. One more important point, how can you able to provide the compute environment access to your batch service by using IAM role. So thanks for watching. So I hope you understood this content. So see you back in the next video. Until then, bye bye. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching again.